SRA, Fortwell Solicitors.
Okay, Nana, bye bye.
Ebusiano pay me ma wachi ma wakwaba ede eba eye liga awa dwumadie so yeda otwedi ampo nyankopon na se aye na adom ne pe wahwe so wabo ye ho ban ene de so yasa ehia se de wonim no ebena da bia ye hia ede eye dwumadie eba eye wakwan so se de be ya yebetimi akyerɛkyerɛ wo nsɛm ama wahu ne etwam bia se de eba eye immigration nsɛm ho eye mansotwe bia for asase fa ba bia wotie fa bibia ware families ehun nsɛnsɛm ni nyina eye Fortwell Solicitors for ewo ha se omo be kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma ani so ama yani etimi ada hɔ ne etimi aboaboa ye nyina ye ho ewo saa kwan ne so enti ene se de onim no me ne lawyer Kwai na baba besumo last week yani lawyer PK na eye adwumadie ene yani lawyer Kwai na ehia ye ne betwetwe nkomo ama watimi aboa ye na de ewo hɔ bia so no yetimi akyerɛkyerɛ ye ho eno enti no se utie dwumadie wo hwɛ wo Facebook ana se YouTube ana se utie wo radio no so a ema wakɔ aba de eba dwumadie so ebre ema ye ho kwan ma ye bie eye lines no bikyerɛ phone lines ne tum se de be ya wo so betimi afrɛ na wo de wadwenkyerɛ de aba eye dwumadie so de ama ye eno nti no yen studio lines no 0203 735 8820 and that's 0203 2860185 ubetimi ama ye WhatsApp call and audio ni nyina no ye pene so ma ode fa ho ma ye eno 0778793998 and ye bre no ekọ kakra bi na mebo modern na me kakra bi eso asoso de ama lawyer say me wi an time no kakra when you say fidie na yede ye adwuma nti eto da ya na e play up nti no se ba ne sa se wunya abotre de ema ye e wosa kwan no so mame emma eye lawyer akwaba men sebre ena ye bedi nkomo de afa eye sponsorship ho ensensem ho na lawyer wa ha die obebiebie ya adwuma bebiebie niema mu akyerɛkyerɛ niema ni so ama ya te niema ase ti so wo question bi a se de meka no ebre ma ye ho kwan ma obetimi di aba na watchre wadwen anase obisa question bi asoso efa bibia wo ma lawyer yi anoma wo ba so mesro wo hwe your Facebook wo like na wa share ama obi so etimi atibi ebia ne ensem no emboa but ebetimi aboa eye nua bi ama ono so na brabo akototen eniti no mamema eye lawyer Kwai akwaba be sebre no mamema eye lawyer Kwai akwaba na yenko yenim ewo sa kwan so lawyer good morning.
Good morning, Mama Lane.
Last week me feel kitwe bi nya kese kitwe bi. Na ho ye de.
Last week ye hu kosie kakra.
Me amitimi hu nti na wani ma fresh na ye de na stress.
We that's it.
Wo ko de.
Na mi ado bibi aboko na so e.
Yesu adomo de acha yen pa. Eti ase.
Yo. Amen.
And yes sponsorship. You know, and if I too far na question bi o bi a okasa na ye bebisa na we yi ano de ama Israel.
Patriyo me da si bebre say dia wo introduce ye no kre ene ye pese ye discuss sponsorship for employers and answer we work as skilled workers. Say dia muni no CCR no Brexit abetwem ewie into no we are now looking forward ye hwe kwan a ye betimi aboa ye listeners ebetimi aboa amanfo ebetimi aboa businesses a ewo has said to be able to continue employing people using our work permit schemes and pen bebre no na companies and as a businesses Omodrin say you can say work permit you need to be a very big organization and sana wait me as sponsor obi and answer wait me ama obi work permit ama no abe ye ejuma e okrom ha say and for that reason intina and then me pesi e money to your church then people will realize say oh there may be so many businesses are ombetimi crown for abua amount for and also betting sponsor sponsor crofona or my bed or my be a juma krum has say omu they have not even realized say documents are as presenting straightforward sir. For instance, one of the common questions are in Crawford Eta Ebisa essay. Your cast a sponsorship crowd and only dear. Normally, no, say Oba Chrome has say so person obey a jumana so yeah organization do a business person now person will employ obi Chrome has say normally no so making sure any part of one crata and sana wamana be a juma Chrome has say into previously no, either say any panic running limited leave to remain 2.5 years and as a 5 years and also for EU for no mebusu for no and now so say a bia nipani craft student visa na otimi ye juma be 20 hours during term time or mama kwan otimi more than that. Then we had EU for no so and so omutimi back room has say outimi form ema omuye ejuma no. But going forward, you know, we also know say there are some people who are honoma and they don't fall under any of these categories. It's in those circumstances, you know, say oma or more sponsorship, and now say omo letter be a say you are happy, say nipare babeye de abeye ejuma amount. And for that reason, you know, and now if you can say for a will be a friend as our sponsorship, into no sponsorship, no, ushemu grandpa, just number be code be a home office for a debema or come portal so I know I just our code no we just our code na wa assign ama obi and as a wa allocate ama obi who allocate many pana or yen visa application na you be sign for sa code no na or the sa code na the action application so no into a year straightforward obey say customer na be microphone a train microphone address so. And for businesses, you know, there are a number of type of businesses are on me qualify acquire sponsorship license. For instance, we are small business or be a business what register business you know into the business in one chain and yes we are self-employed or also be a self-employed be a jumama or be a self-employed it's me taxes sponsor and yes sir you need to be an established business see a established business you can sorry sorry for Crampono are able to sponsor people to come in. Intino, sorry, wait me a charity, wait me a startup business. You can startup business. Be I will start here Crampon Intino, all these organizations in Honoma Oceanas wait me a produce the necessary documents na wait me akwaje sa sponsorship license be amanama ho kwan ama wait me as sponsor amount for ama omo abakrom has say when we look at documentation our businesses are expected to be able to have for them to be able to get our license now most of the time we are looking at about between 4 documents, minimum of 4 documents, right? Okay. Into any baby, into as a business, or as an organization, or make us a business, and I say me sorry for the almost religious organizations, into the business and as organization, and normally, say all running business, we expect say ubenya some sort of a lease agreement and as a rent agreement. Until say say we yes application you be expect to say ubenya evidence of premises we running organization if there might be occasion whereby obi in the business if it is acceptable because we register or once now say working from home they are very common into say be a mini office or mini shop or meet me sponsorship license yes which is perfectly allowed if evidence is said this is the premises that you are running your business from that is what is needed. Secondly, the person who say a legitimate business, our person will employ amount for. Into you can say person will employ amount for. Krum has say normally no be register with HMRC. Into no will register with HMRC. Mount be a friend PAYE reference number. So reference number no say we a Juma Krum has say na the amount pay slip. Ube who's a reference number be a pay slip. So I say will touch reference number. Every organization otua obia Chrome Habian need to have sa reference number. No. As a business, why you are doing say open will sponsor amount for na mobile Chrome hand. What you are trying to say and say open will employ amount for. What readiness have you made for you to be able to employ people? So we need evidence of sa PAYE reference number. No, into one document I will look at. Then normally, so who employ amount for house wa you person we insurance. Intina assembly to employees we don't want you to say oh me there BBC minisika me tia compensation. That's means most businesses we expect to say over employers liability insurance. It's also one document normally if you can see move for the person we then almost say was our document in honoma and a bank statement. Bank statement is goes a long way to show say part the business is existing, like it's subsisting, it's ongoing, or your business when you see kabem anyway. And you necessarily say uwo sika kesiye bi ewo bank account there be. That's not what the Home Office is looking for. What the Home Office is looking for is say uwo business are running. So you can say for bank statements, bra. That is what we are expecting. So documents here you see say there will be almost 90 to 99% of businesses Chrome has here, they will be able to show these documents. If you all maybe catch yourself for VAT registration, bra, and only share that any mandatory because every business now or qualifies to be registered for VAT, especially if annual turnover less than £85,000. HMRC do not expect you say or be registered for VAT. If you are not able to produce a VAT registration number, and only does not mean say encourage sponsorship license. Say with this sponsorship license, and also area, depending on what documents that you have been able to provide, if you can even for better rating. Every organization as so far, Fortwell Solicitors, sponsorship license have been given A+ rating. You can say A+, that's the highest rating that any organization can get. That is the rating that you are normally will be given. Say amount A+ rating. What that means in say so what decide say sponsor amount for ama backroom has here. You can put your letterhead and as a letter say we now be maintaining that person and it will be acceptable into any A+ rating organization everything sponsor or be all sponsor will be normally so who are as a skilled worker we do bank statement actually say who will see car waiting and survive without recourse to public funds. However, organization na a sponsor so we A+ rating they can just say so and who the skilled worker you don't need to show any bank statement. A very good, and it also shows how credible your organization is if you're able to get that rating. In the past, when we have been able to assist organizations to get these sponsorship licenses, we always aim for SAR rating, and we've always 100% succeeded in getting organization that rating, which is very, very good. So, unya sponsorship license now there are a number of routes ubetimi a sponsor amount for na omabeye ejuma e Chrome has say yawo bibi to say workers routes. Okay. See, you can say worker route and as a long-term worker route. Now, I know that first, before almost year changes now saying now wait here 2 visas, into the can say worker route. I wait me abba say for 3 years and I say even 5 years at a go. Into the we a long-term staff member Aoba Chrome has say, and for this route, you'll be able to bring people in to work for you minimum 3 years, which may extend the ACO 6 years. At the end of 5 years, Sahani Pana or the number, wait my application for indefinitely to remain. So it is a very exciting route for businesses because as a business, say who invested resources to bring somebody to come and work for you here. You want the person for a long term. One person you back now after 1 year now or with training why business a year jumano now the person is leaving. And this route is very, very, very good. When you look at other communities, they have been taking advantage of it. Into over here, Turkish community, almost the chefs for their restaurants and their businesses here. Yeah, Ghanaian community, so the would see and I would just say, oh, more restaurant, but I cannot do anything. This is a route for you. It's with the comfort chef. If you fear Emma be have a boy and no Adriana with Adriana authentic because if you Adriana we now go for Hana or we Adriana and Koye into no person good specialist cook the crowd of it in your fan. These are the example of businesses that can take advantage. But you now can be. Oh, Asema wa Kendi Asem Kesia Pana Wakana. And it's very true. And this is the problem that we face with some of the restaurants, businesses, and what has it because omunya quality staff and sa permiti ebe wow I'm waiting here recruiting quality staff and yet just that so nipa no so bad say open all year juma amount during the duration of the work permit. Unless you say onya another organization or you're willing to sponsor that person until you go juma ema obia. So it is very advantageous for businesses at a workroom as him. Apart from that, you have a religious workers. Okay. Because religious workers or charity or which is registered. You want somebody to come and work for you. So piano ma or don't do ma or drums ma. You need the workers to come and work for you. This is the route for you. I wait I register now waiting Eddie Akofa amount for Abba. So all types of businesses. And you say a big company, it's over 100 employees, over 20 employees, over 10 employees, and you can just even have one employee at the moment and still no open say my work permit Emma will be a luckily for us, because of Brexit, Oma watered down the criteria, any inyama you need to be able to sponsor people. First, now open say will sponsor Obia. The minimum qualification na nipan ehiano level 6 and above. See a cast level 6 and above, not just a nipan with degree and above. Okay. CCR no Oma will turn it down. CCR the minimum qualification and nipa here for you to be able to sponsor the person. A level 3, which is very good because level 3 equivalent to probably Ghana no because SEC. Into obi akoye ne senior high school qualification be a crown na obetimi as sponsor amanaba previously nanka entisa this is nipa with degree and above into a very, very good schema we believe that people need to be using. And most of these roles, the first so person offer amount for ba no mobeye ejuma mawa. You had to advertise for 28 days. Emma local people na workroom has say British passport ni EU passport. So we nya obia and sana wako fani pane if you amanone abaso abeye juma. The criteria was more strict. By the time obeye advert we nya nipa be 100 omaye application. Until how do you justify say you still need to employ somebody from outside? Until now it was much difficult for people to sponsor and call for CCR and Antisabio. CCR has always obi sponsor obia. There is no need say obe advertising sa position I'm a local for I'm also way obia so obi. So it is very good. We should changes now, but we believe say see educate and pro for because ebia who will be fear we need so find about waiting ya boa with juma no ama with juma na ide akoso but oti ho na wo bre with employees near them. This is a route for you. Any type of business, there's no specific type of business. We application license.
Wow.
Then there's another route here, friend, a temporary worker route. So you can't say temporary worker route. Bia na mama learn what decided say open say concert be chrome has say and concert now person no person offer and you tofu be no beto you mama sometimes to you no ba bia wo nyom na nko ye to be say obi beto ma and no sa no we have temporary worker inti oba for beye bia 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we are not called into temporary worker and as a creative worker. And also no come under that route into and no requirements in a year too much. Nipana all banner, Yamana bear 6 weeks, on beto na on bed non call. Most times, in those situations, even it may even happen as a Nipana new employee. The person is not coming to work for you as an employee, but a contract. In the sign say, Brana bear me concert way, and I say me event way, Emma Menasa Koba. They also come under that temporary route, worker route scheme. And also, we know a lot of businesses, the charities, they have been taking advantage of that. Obi or running small organization, your train for say they are we're drumming. Obi or church schools there, and they bring people from Ghana, ABS students near there, normal for work experience under this route. And the opportunities are endless. I want people to understand, so we a business person, has an person will take advantage of any of these routes that may catch you. Yeah, opportunities near endless. All that you need to do is say ask, and we will show you ways and means. Over to me at the IG license, at the Akofa amount for. Intino Bema Obint na honka say, oh, wait there. Big companies, big organizations, and there it comes with responsibilities. Say the Chrome has say we are talking about responsibilities. It's like I say, oh yeah, my sponsorship license now. Oh yeah, you need to follow certain things.
Right.
One of the biggest problems are in Crawford was our sponsorship license in the one say they feel say or yena or kofa will be a back Chrome nipa ni be gane na abeye problem amano. Okay, intermediate men kofa obia. Okay, media mean cophobia because emamenas obedunas odania ebe affecting me. Look at duties and your responsibilities. If ni pano kofane eba so on beye juma ma na beye 1 week, beye 2 weeks, beye 1 month, 4 weeks on reporting emba a jumana with Dania. You the sponsor, no, all that you need to do is say obe report ama efficacy move for say ni pana me kofa ne buy. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we're done it on by Juma, maintaining coming in the vehicle. And then your responsibility ends there. As an organization, once a YSR report area, yeah, me catch yourself because Nipani is done no, chinchina cochin and a funny bra. It does not work like that because or adults no akofana ba no so timi as say and you say or ye wa ba wa bia na say we slave your baby no no wo responsibility so be making sure say nipa no will honor all the time. If the person decides to obey Ghanaian, you just follow your responsibility. No report or portal no say nipa no e Ghanaian by we your responsibility as the emergency license if you want say. The only time Home Office one be decided so on license nephew if they think say one in microphone ashen wako for my banner wa boom no me dane and as a microphone dane and you in your own wisdom one bomb one money. When things like that happens, then it makes me affect your license. Many people also think say they don't have the resources. Say omode be manage license into the wakoji license na ba onim kwaya obefa so na obe sponsor obi na nipa na be ye adwuma wa ha anase onim ne responsibilities ni ade say oye intine ohwe all the complications that come with it or semi crap the license and the main there be Fortwell Solicitors, what we do for a lot of businesses and they say see a G license ni ewie emawa yenka se G nako manage license. We also manage the license for you.
Right, how?
Okay, basically, say your G license in Emmawa. Okay, license near what ya into woman malay, my G license amount. Wona we year authorizing officer. I can say OG license. Yeah, so we appointing personnel beyond be manage license amount. Into year one person a friend authorizing officer. What we authorizing officer and when a license in the age now council. When also will make sure say the responsibilities that come with the license, you make sure say we adhere to those responsibilities. Into now you're authorizing officer. Apart from being an authorizing officer, we then have other officers. You will be a friend level 1 user, you level 2 users. Okay, level 1 user, you can appoint 2 or 3 level 1 users. Okay. Level 1 user no enna obe manage portal na amount. Into no say home office for person no kasa almost send it with correspondence in ebe call level 1 user no. Level 1 user they can manage it. Level 1 user they can tell you say, oh, amama lane home office for say for documents we any document we bra and as office or for obia your questions be answer mame. It is a level 1 user no we share na we ni adaje a what they be manage or portal now, which means it's a level 1 user and MIM Fortwell Solicitors. So Fortwell Solicitors become your level 1 user. In the end, you manage SAR license in the amount. In the assembly or ABA or license, every 3 years, so we renewal. I can't bear 1 month, 2 months, not renewal now. So, well, level 1 user no solicitor with me up from to say, Mama Len or license in a baby Brana Beje for and I said Brana be renew. Every year, you will be a friend of course, and I say certificate of sponsorship. So, our certificate of sponsorship, a year the number of people are waiting me as sponsor or more for every year. Until for every year, no beginning of the middle of the year, around April, no home office for best Sunday reminder at the amount say, Mama Len, who business also person will sponsor amount for the next 1 year. No, Odin say how many people in our dom be fee amanone abeye juma e wo krom ha say kachre ni emfa course ni nyede amount into time ya person we use bia no akofa sa course no allocate amount crop for some management, lawyer now or your level 1 user can be doing all those things for you. Into the lawyer and make a choice. How many people now believe we say this year the person mobile approach? Okay, we do the rest for you. Until we manage this, so we understand. Say as a business owner now, you want to concentrate on your business and the core business rather than mind and say, oh, my sponsorship license, my head then have I done something wrong? We do that management for you so that you can have your peace of mind to run your business. That is what we are there for. We have done it for so many companies and businesses. Oh, UK has it. Big organizations, IT companies, and all that. And we believe, say, this is the time, especially with UK FEE EU for ground power. You need to give work permits. And for people don't realize. Say we EU need now when in rack room has said before 31st of December, but after 31st of December, and I say 1st of January 2021, and I will rack room. Not also ye Jumal room has here. Also crown pono work permit and so waiting. And for that reason, we've had a lot of businesses are almost complaining, saying they do not have the human resource to manage their business. And for that reason, they need at the moment, home office for year application and check near the license now at their bro. So we want to encourage people to make sure say they are doing the if why do you say obey here obi this year. But you never know when you need somebody urgently. For many people, okay, Fortwell Solicitors, for instance, we're a license even though we have not decided use at the moment. If at any point in time, we decided for Ghana and I say anywhere abroad, every year,
it should be
you see what you need to understand in this say a yes say what genuine vacancy,
right?
But just ultimately say there has to be a genuine vacancy as a business, if person offer abia person lawyer be juma and mommy. Now, because of that, I need a special skill. Abia it's regarding Ghana law. Person you know what's our skill, no be juma for 1 year and 2 years. Then I have the vacancy. I can just utilize it.
Okay.
Abia obia bahase as a student, we school. Whilst all your students, or be juma work experience, the real school, the way juma we need to home person fan. Straight away, make me activate sponsorship license and they sponsor that person.
Okay.
There are a number of people that obey to me and they sponsor or more normally a juma chrome has say into the for instance, Obia o chrome has say that wait here for visa, that is student visa no. Ubetimi ayeden abuano amana asweche abasa work permit scheme na mana be ejuma ma we mra onko fie emba. Obia owo krom ha say dada ebia or wari obi but na warrior no ajriga ayra but oye ejuma ma Usha, the way the Nyama connect crack and betimi say, Ubetimi as sponsor under this rule, no switch about this rules, not the idea or the aye a juma. There are a number of people you can sponsor them under this route for them to work here. It is, however, important for people to understand. Say Obiwa has say na oni enkrata. Oye illegal misrel and no any possible say ubetimi as sponsor no has say amano this okoni crew not okoye application if you eba obviously no say nipa ni ko ni crew ma normally so one they try to ticket ekoya obewo a year ban and sana wetimi aba crew ni this was service aba na wie and sana wetimi ayede aba we nye human rights application say bia kwa worry aba into the just kwa wetimi worry no aba there be waiting sir when they say there's a ban, the ban will affect you and you will need to wait until these are the type of visas they catch us say we illegal hana ukofia untimi mba bioma because untimi nko na straight away on your application and for skilled worker now umba you need to wait and serve your ban until and non so then we also have sporting worker ne creative workers. I don't know if about bohu asem aka ho asem omomoba ha say ebeye creative work obi ohonoma obetonyum na okọ obi ohonoma obeye short program na okọ eno no betinya age up to 12 months mo abeye sa ade no wi ya na we de uko oh yes, nipani here betimi asaba all the time. Religious workers and also the same thing. Oba has say for some short religious work there and also no obetimi aye. Bi krapa na nye pastoral work na babe and non-pastoral work. But oh yeah, mama.
Questions no. So
virtual brabio man.
Me pese wanu si ansa na yetimi abusebusa questions no ne ade fa say sponsorships ni nyina ho. Why?
Okay, yo. Basically, I think say at the moment, the MBA phone lines, because some questions, are very important. Biana, BB, ya boss, actually, nipa address, not so visa, not to me, MBA.
All right. Ebusia, any na legal hour, and now was super with any Fortwell Solicitors for na etwetwe komo. Ebina de bia na ye share edi dwedie ba wa kwan so na ya kyerɛkyerɛ yɛn ho eniema etwaguo efa immigration sensem ho ya betina obi man so na epiepie mu na yesese ye ni nyina no ye de eba wa kwan so se wutie lawyer wakyerɛkyerɛ eniema bebree mu se bia pese o sponsor obi na obeye adwuma wa ha se obobobobɔ nsɛm bebree so nti se bia na ɔhyɛ ase no se na woni ha se ya kakra memete ye no mekan lawyer me chia no watene me na ye kwenim was akwan so na lawyer brobro nsɛm so se ubetimi asponsor enkrofo de omo aba kuremu amoma be ye adwuma ma empem bebree na bi wo hɔ a ya na wo se Ghana ni akosisa bi a hu nkrofo ekura din na bia Poland foi Polish foi bo nso omo na ye nnuane ma ye Ghana ye nnuane so omo ni mu ye aduane bo nso ya na nkwan na ne namba bi ni ade so na omo na omo eti ha se ya omo betimi employ omo nti na omo se omo a na eye but se no ya te asem de se obetimi akofa nkrofo de omo frifri aba providing se wa register na obi bia de dada na akwan mu wo sa akwan no so dia na obetimi enya code no and say sponsorship license no now so wetimi akofa nkrofo de omo afri ukroma ba nti se bia wo restaurant wetimi akofa nkrofo aba se omo be ye adwuma de amount wo sa akwan so we osofo na wo license na sponsorship license na no so betimi akofa nkrofo de omo aba ebia so we na bebo drums ama ebia so we be preach ebia ni nyina mo asofo na mo amuni mo tricks enti ni nyina esoso ewo that side no lawyer problem nsem bebre so na ya bie lines na tumu say efa questions fa nsem ya nkomo a ye bo ehu na se opese obusa ne bibia na wa asem bi lawyer anka ewo otirimu a mepa acho wa ye bie lines na tumu obetimi afre na lawyer akyerɛkyerɛmu de amount numbers no studio lines no ye 0203 735 8820 0203 735 8820 and say 0203 286 0185 0203-286-0185 and I say WhatsApp 0778-793-9958. Ye di nkomo na no me de lawyer Kwe number ebe to dwa ede amount Fortwell Solicitors for office line so beto dwa ede amount. Ti so pese okohu omo na bibi kire so a ni nyina mu no kwa omo beboa omo no besi nkunya a kire nsem mu ede amount ewo sa kwan no so. Lawyer na obi bisa say sa sponsorship ya ye ka ho asem how long afebo and say time da ho say bia metimi a sponsor nipa na kosi brese a mentimi sponsor biem and say besi brebe ene bia metimi akasem bi gi asetena kra de ama no afebo bibisa ewo ho ana.
I say Ulma Obi sponsorship and as I will sponsor Obia. Obetimi as sponsor no as long as you want to.
Okay.
Intino say Opese will sponsor ni pano initially bimo honoma obey initially 3 years.
Right.
Intino initial was all ban obey Juma 1 3 and not said the Juma AC ete. So the Juma yefa then was out to us. Obetimi as sponsor 3 years, now 6 years.
Okay.
So Nipano 8 na has say a year Juma ma 5 years. After 5 years, no Nipano betimi aye application for football indefinitely to remain.
Okay.
Intino a very exciting say Nipano eba be shewa say afibor there be but Nipano betimi aye Juma for 5 years.
After 5 years, no betimi apply.
Betimi aye application for indefinite.
Right.
But indefinite who asem so no it's important for me to add say possible say uba has say with work permit na ubetimi do ebusuan for aye den aba.
Asem ye de.
Intino enye se onko awo ba na wa betina ha na wudi abobo there bi utimi ko fa wo yire utimi ko fa wo utimi ko fa wo mba den eka ho ba under this work permit scheme and as a skilled worker route intino say dia wo kan ye mpese obeba ha say na onko awo ti na wo ye adwuma na we ninje
intino se wo mo omoba na se o ntimi akofa ne yire anani kunu bi ama na se bo apayo na ye no na se ono ana ya na gbe so obebo bra bi a enche danko
well and they need to mean because Biana only the never better Biana then who ya say
wait ya ko fam trebi na na ba behim asem o de nipa timi ye eno na lawyer kika ntino other for so betimi afre na wabusa questions no na upese obusa questions bi okay ubisa lawyer what you
bisa lawyer ne say obi free ni pim no watch ticket ekono o can say ba bi da ho a obe serve for years bi no and na person mu say for how long and obe serve for Ghana before ansana yetimi ama ne kwan ma otimi abakuru wem bi.
Okay, lawyer ask any question.
But you all repeat it mama bi na line mu
ayo lawyer na me pese me pacho me bisa o say obi efri ni pemu na okọ Ghana no otwa ne ticket say okọ no o can say ba bi da ho like for how long na nipa ne kokuduru Ghana obetimi atena ansan wetimi aye next application na mama ne kwan ma na ba ekuru wem bi
me ba mentimi hu se opese o kire se bia nipa wa betena ha woni nkrata na ono ade ne pe no ono ade ne pe mu koye no opese o hu se oba na o de sa sponsorship we na eba na bibisa na
say bi obi akotena ho no emlesen na ba na betimi yi afiri so.
Okay, so on one acquire the I don't think say be about my lawyer no lawyer me dem law course.
Say on one edini pe acquire normally in a ban 12 months.
12 months.
Okay. 1 year. It is very important for me to stress ti a ban ewo honoma enye obia na ekọ eba baka obenya ban. Say what betina chrome has say na say wunni enkrata na wa wo de wo pe e crowd tickets now the call but o call you know bia wo shia obi wa ha say a wo ware no na wo person wo call spouse visa eba there's no ban because no na mistake we go for yet sa we ni say lawyer who say me nko ware me yire embra bio mo no me kwa meet me mba me kwa ko ka ofie and sa we no me person me stressing in mind because na nko we bring stro say o me kwa ko ware o mo dira no mo kuru no mababa no ban dia eni ho
okay
say wa ware obi a ban eni ho but so wo ko no akoje sa work permit aba and wo ko no akoje student visa aba and wo ko no aje visitors visa e dia aba dia there's a ban as I will say
answer. Okay what honor say okay ene na eno na lawyer chichum na lawyer me pese me say ehu say obi bia o ha say we bie care agency eno sa no obetimi akofa nkrofo de omo afirifi aba say omo meye carers ana na eno so no e de na omo behia say bibi sa
oh yes say nipa no ebie care agency a possible say obetimi akofa nkrofo efifie aba so omo beye ejuma ema nipa kono so long as nkrofo no what the necessary qualifications no say dia mekai no at the moment enye level 6 and above bio level 3 into no say care agency na nipa no ebia or diploma or certificate but o feel say ni skill no obetimi abeboa wadwuma na wo ye na then it is possible mami use sa opportunity we so and explain it say na ye program say nkrofo bebre ebe froze a lawyer unkope ejuma me na me so me figa na emba me pay ejuma man for
okay
until I need to make it that way because most of the calls that's what they are interested in. Wow, say obano, you need to go and get a job yourself, and then see a wow with the application process for with visa process. Now then you come to us. Say we a business owner. Now, running care agency say they are okay, you know. But offer amount for a bar. We are more than happy. Say we will give you all the guidance. So same near church or all the guidance. We've done it for so many care homes and care agencies. And we've got the experience in running that industry as well. For those people who are interested, especially business owners, more free, I will be more than happy to help.
Okay, wait, could you say who documentation for that license and then
and you start say one, we need to see proof say business, our premises. And I say, run it from somewhere. And you say, a business nation team. Evidence, maybe I'll run new business. It's here evidence. You be here evidence say, what register with HMRC, say we are prepared, say we to your amount for salary. It's evidence, and so you be here evidence, so insurance in case you say, we employers, be at 2 or more. Ubetimi are resolve it, and I said the insurance will cover them for employers. When you know ba if details which actually be able to obviously the person who say business and a substantial business it is running into the bank statement to show say it is also important for people to understand say any established businesses pay and your license it can be a startup business are will starting in next month until we'll start here now will be when it is a startup business and documentation here a little bit different. However, it is possible and is doable for people who are thinking say on starting business on be offer amount for and also my license and also acquire and when you come we will advise you on the necessary documents that will be here for such people.
Okay. Mami ya so say opese who say o say ya teso de aba level 3 no. Opese who say bibi biem ka ho a sese nipa na opese oba no anase ye kofa na ba na be ye adwuma no. Sese osade ka ho anase o kire so o wa na be say bank statements na ade no. Enso so ka ho bia na.
And no see a very important point na yenua ebisano because unsena me tremono because say OJ will sponsorship license as a business yeah the rating Emma nkrofo what we a rating it may be possible say ubetinya sponsor obi when mra nipa na ofi Ghana and ofi amano ne airba no and who here so the bank statement ebe chere intino say was sponsor no e good rating there's no need for you to show say was because when employer and bit me say or no be initially so say we start in salary
good rating now what can let us say what me go through HMRC no insurance bank statements no good account good
and I don't know say I don't know the sad documents they come if you can see move for now if you can see move for amount sponsorship license say with business way you have permission so it's not farm for if you are and in doing so you be more rating depending on what document I would buy and how I will your application.
Okay.
And I'm a said, any business I hear sponsorship license, always comes with A rating, A plus rating. And for that, we are below that star. For any business that we we get them very good rating, and we make sure say this is the rating that they are going to use.
Okay.
The second question are not and said they no be here. Normally, no what ban say what English language test.
Boy.
English language test, difficult, level B1, very, very straightforward. If wako school ka bia okwa obe pass it, very difficult, so be fail it. So and to say nurses English, and to say English when nurses for English.
Okay, you call a social media, you Facebook Everest Ofori Ata or say I hope it applies to churches, lawyer. And to also person who said you did mention something about churches. No, so there's a churches need also can be an.
Oh yes, churches in the important thing for the churches and say as a church and you need to be registered. Okay. Obi ohonoma will be a story no, but onya and register the church, There are so many we organize we basis about me register as me register no as a limited liability company. Ubeti me register as a community association. Ubeti me register as a charity. Whatever ticks your boxes, whatever makes you happier, you think say you will be able to meet the requirements. Make sure say you are registered in a way, because untimi nka say asori no wo ekuo ne wo but you register am person license e cover amount for if he has say. Once you come to us, you best wow with the process of registering the organization as a church, you better finding out what is suitable for you. Train the area, then we'll be able to assist you to register and wait me as sponsor amount for.
Internet say obi so akofa obi free abemana be adwuma or restaurants so yes the work na to say level 3 near man sa na ade na.
Oh yes wow kofa amount for abaye adwuma restaurant once anipa no abaye adwuma man near level 3 and above okay. Say dia me chire no say o share home office application system na so you will be a friend SOC. Okay, so we ya classify every job with a code. You will be surprised. Say, or make tenase. My say a jume bia a work room ha bia ya man code. Until say oba ube Fortwell Solicitors say lawyer me person me kofa work away no be a juma way a man. Maybe so I said then what are the job, what's the job role for that person? Then anipa ni ba be ya amount or restaurant until we can say obe no aduane obe serve aduane obe si obe share me exactly what the person is going to do. Based on that, me call home office for websites and as a national statistics where I could share so code that qualifies a juma. Then we use that code to do the application for you. That is the job for us. I don't know, a very technical. Remember, say we'll go into detail. Okay. But whatever the situation is, you as an employer and you as a business owner, Jamime here or ne se obekre a juma cro and nipane ba oba. Right. And then it will be my job to make sure we make sure it fits under the guidance. It's me the Nipana backroom.
Okay. Yeah, Brenda Kopa. Then Mami ready a message abasisia. No or say good morning or say how long does it usually take to get a hearing date after filing an appeal? Or say again, is a sum of 3,000 enough for both parents to sponsor three dependent children? Or no so question and on so all the free Ghana, I don't know.
Yes. Say appeal now person hearing data. It depends baby we appeal on a fee.
Okay.
Say appeal no UK within UK. Normally you are looking at up to 6 months. We court dates between 6 to 12 months on average. We court dates. So we appeal within the country. So we will appeal no from abroad. That is entry clearance. Why your application for visa say oh ba unia ho, oh ba ujiri ho, oh ba ukunu ho, oh ba mame ho, na you refuse you. That's why you appeal. You are looking at minimum 12 months. Intino omo ma ye appeal efi amano minimum 12 months. Sa ye second question regarding Sika say one account mono. They be no very difficult for me to say yes or no without knowing the full facts. As I mean who the full facts we say obi ohonoma 3,000 may be okay because diner or timu crampo on rent. We're turning down that. So it's me I say into the 3,000 here enough to look after the independent children out of your mobile. Into I need more information to be able to determine say 3,000 be okay. But on average, many people 3,000 will be okay for them.
Ebusia meda wase pass dan da ye ba oje ofeso na utie eye adwumedie nyame enhra ye nyina na so hwe ye bre na ye just less than 1 minute to go na ye de asda kese be ma eye lawyer we patcho radio no so de ye free so ano no ba me wo nsem bia mpese me bisa lawyer nti obetimi join o Facebook if you mema lawyer be 5 minutes the kind time so me we an time kakra na lawyer de achechi mo bi abisa question bi na lawyer e de achechi mo to be strong join your Facebook GN Radio UK or Facebook na etie ento aso but radio you see 1 minute ya ye free so na ye de akọ se de onim nimidi mama le me ne lawyer Mr. kakra bi a wo ansa na 1 minute na so no faja ye nwan mo mutie o radio no so na afi ye beto so
yeah, more mutie o radio no so any question detailed question biana say the money number I was screen so and I say mama lend the number and able to after the program no ubetimi afre and as wait me be here so office and we'll be more than happy to help you.
Cool. Lawyer number near 07944 976-161 and I say landline here 0203 325 7030. Me pacho a contact lawyer koi na mwabi obi ano wetimi abo ama migration sem no atototo yi ede amao yeda wase se da ne da we aso a wuti nyame ya ado na wotwe sende ye besa aba na ya baba besum wo legal awa dwumadie so koso anema wa fidie no enda haisan se yede baba bewrem na konkonsan edi twam nyina no yede ba wa kwan so ya bebo nwum de so da umpa so na utie nwuma yede na utie konkonsa so ka ho ni nyina yede beba wa kwan so nti eni lawyer wie pe koso anema wa fidie no enda ha ye betoa dwumadie no so ede amount aha ena yedu besi ne beda wasese oye aso a uditi yes we she akobak o social media no so Mr. Wa join us okay lawyer ye toaso a ye free radio no so ye toaso a na yenwa bi ebisa okay ma me ready ebi mo comment na Najima thank you so much I say good morning lawyer good morning mama Len afe eba Everita ne kai I say this is very insightful. Thank you, sir. Nanaba for I say good morning to you all. I'm watching you. Medical you question and no amount, Ezekiel say great program. Afe sir ebisa question be was say any update on Akisanya, is it Akisanya on home office place? Or also so the no lawyer.
With the Akisanya case, there's no further updates also. Say they can in our previous programs, Home Office for I appeal way for no, so Home Office for also are supposed to make sure say with the guidance and the back no mama will be 6 weeks, no more days application at 2. See they can day in, day out, at the moment, or 2 options. One option with Nancy no I train. I'm a Home Office for the policy guidance number. Publish guidance now 6 weeks for you to submit an application. And now so say over to me as submit your application I got to Home Office for now, so that as soon as guidance is published and as an outcome comes out, you are already ahead of the queue. We have also said say 2.5 years, and as we 2.5 years application. Now we application for Zambrano, Akisanya or USS, so the 2 applications and they can be pending. Nothing will be affected. Misconception and coffee bringing say, we have 2 applications now. Best say on crata there be consent order. No, it is clear with 2 applications now at 2.
Menya caller be my main interest bit me afana. Good morning, caller.
Yeah. Good morning, please. I've got one.
Yeah. Hello?
I've got one or two questions. I've got a question to ask.
Right. What's your name, please?
My name is Yakini.
Yakini. Okay. What's your question?
Yeah. I applied for EUSX and I've done my biometric 7 July 2021. So I want to know how long am I supposed to wait for the decision and the certificate of application, please?
Lawyer,
Okay.
did you hear his question?
Yes, I did hear the question. Can I ask what type of application and when did you submit the application?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Can you hear the lawyer?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Did you hear what the lawyer said?
What type of application did you submit and when did you submit the application?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, I asked a question. I said, what type of application did you submit? And when exactly did you submit the application? When we say submit the application, when did you get the payments through to the Home Office? Not the date of the appointment for your biometric, but the date you submitted the application online.
Do you speak?
Okay, I think let me
answer. I think I understand.
You understand, yeah? But do you speak Chi?
No,
okay.
I don't think.
All right, then can you explain? Can you tell us? Oh.
All right, Mama Len, I'll answer the question. I'll assume what he was saying. Normally, when you submit an application from the date of submission, it takes up to 6 months for a decision to be made. That's a standard time. Even though when it's a human rights application, sometimes it may go further than the 6 months that is normally published by the Home Office. So if he did his appointment or biometric details on the 7th of July, as he said, I do not know exactly when the application itself was submitted, but I will normally count the 6 months from the date the application itself was submitted. If it's less than 6 months, then he needs to be able to wait. The reason why I was asking him what type of application he submitted was the fact that he's expecting a certificate of application. Okay. I want to know whether it is an EUSS application or not, because if it is not an EUSS application, then we should not expect to get a certificate of application.
EUSS application.
Yeah, if it is EUSS application, then normally once you've done your biometric, you should get your certificate of application straight away. So if you have not received a certificate of application, it may be good for you to contact the Home Office to request for it.
Okay. All right. Everything for your time, no call na say obi any question be mu dia na any na major lawyer say kakra bi a the best so no mfa so emfa am in fact me refi obi busa question be say osrewa obetimi explain kakra dia training for creative workers no so omo de no so no say kakra obetimi achichim kakra yi.
So with the creative workers visa, no, it also comes under the skilled worker scheme. Okay, and that is for people who are coming here to perform. If you are coming here to perform, whether you are coming to sing, you are coming to drum, whatever, it's for the creative arts industry basically. So whatever performance you're coming to do, somebody can sponsor you to come here as a creative person. Normally, the visa will be valid for up to 12 months. Okay, so if you are coming in for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to do your show and go back, that is the ideal situation. It's a little bit different from the work permit scheme because you may not be an employee of the organization that you are coming here to perform for. You may have a contract, but whatever the situation, we look into it and make sure we put whatever necessary documents that you need to be able to obtain our creative visa scheme out for you. Anybody that wants specific questions that it's relevant to your circumstance, as we said, we are there. We do free consultation. We don't charge for consultation. Monday to Friday, you can come call us. We can do virtual meetings either through Teams, Zoom, whatever is convenient for you. If you also look near our office to we are there, and you can come and see us at Honze. Every Thursday, we are also at Milton Keynes between 9:30 and 5:30. If you want to come and see us, the same numbers which is on your screen, you can call us and we'll book an appointment for you to come and see us at Milton Keynes. And whatever question you have, we'll be more than happy to help you. For businesses, we are even able to arrange for us to come to your premises and for us to have your meeting. So for big organizations that want to take advantage of getting a license, we can get somebody to come to your office premises and we will be able to take instructions from you. For organizations and big businesses, we are there to service them and we are there to help them to get all these licenses in place before they need it.
Okay. Also call Fortwell Solicitors on this number 0203-325-7030. I repeat 0203-325-7030. And that's Lawyer Quell's number is 079-449-76161. 079-449-76161. And better was say and ye did you no ebesi aka say thank you so much. I think say back back radio no sunti no almost 8 year de kan nyina nti asida kese and na ye de be ma obi biara say wo share your Facebook na won share ya bomodin say wo be share. It's not too late ebi wo ha na ye wie na afekra na obi susu fra dwuma ba no so e ba beti nti no obetimi a share ma ofoforo so etimi etie bi ebia na we anko ama but ebe ko ede ama obi nti Mr. Like it, unya like it, I like it, share because we're not crying free, won't you? The only thing I would say, will like it, I will share. No, Kwane, I which I found in the Yenesa Pepe, my Nanyame Adma next week, Yabeba, a year, constant, I saw Sumo, the same Jumedi, same program, so the only legal, why any Fortwell Solicitors. Lawyer Quell, and I would say, no, Midin, Mama Lane, ye do be see any other wasi. Yamin Shaw, have a lovely day. Lawyer. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ebusia, ya kramo, bye.
Jimmy Bayani, sharing your no be my so. Oh, Rama was saying, oh, yeah, clapping, a year, Dominic Bay, oh, yeah, clapping to you. Take a seat, oh, yeah, clapping for Bradley, sweat running, oh, yeah, clapping to you. Oh,
You are listening to GN Radio UK. You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Mama Lynn.